I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a really clever folded self-mail solution from my good friends at DS Graphics Universal Wild. And this is a self-promotional piece that they produced to launch the installation of a new piece of equipment, a Konica Minolta KM1 inkjet press. And so they produced the piece on the inkjet press and wanted to highlight its benefits and features. And they used this really fun aviation theme. So it's got kind of an airmail theme on the mailing panel back here. As I said, this is a folded self-mailer, so this was tabbed. Here's the cover. Make ready. You are cleared for takeoff at DS Graphics Universal Wild. And when it opens, this is actually a hybrid format. This is a rolling reveal folder. So this has a roll fold element and a reveal folder element, which I'll show you. And so this opens up, and as I said, it's got an aviation theme, so they're using different call names in here, and they've also got these different features here. It says fast, and it lifts up, and then this panel folds down. Here's your reveal folder right here. It rolled out. That was your roll fold. Here's the reveal. And then each of these panels that fold down can perf off and create a paper airplane. So kind of cool. And they're highlighting the different features: speed, durable, this is distance. And so this airplane is a different airplane that's designed for long distances. It's kind of neat how they tie in all of the kind of the conceptual element here of aviation, which is a lot of fun, and then they tie it into the features and benefits of the press. This also has some technology. There's a QR code right here, and that is Blippar's Web AR software, and it's augmented reality. It's got some different videos to watch, and really neat how that works as well. So you just scan that and you can get to videos. So just really nicely done. These were printed on 100-pound dull text coated sheet. These were die cut, score, perf, hand fold, and tab. They did about 3,000 of these. So very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Rolling reveal folder. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.